Okay, everyone, we're actually going to the train museum that's here in Boulder City. So right now we're almost at Boulder City, and you can see the beautiful mountains. So we'll see you guys later. Enjoy the video. Alright, so we are at Boulder City. Oh, here we go. Whoops. So Boulder City is one of the oldest mining cities, I think. Don't quote me on that, in Nevada. You will see once we go on this green light, you will see the city. You can tell it is like a mining town, but they've done a lot. Again, we're going to the train museum that is here, which I figured my mom had been here for almost already 20 years, mom, diba? And why haven't I known this? You know, it's weird. I guess I worked too hard. This is what happens when you work way too hard and not have fun. But the good thing is, we are gonna see this museum, and we might possibly go on a 30-minute train ride to you know, who knows where it's gonna be taken. But I'm excited. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. We'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Enjoy. Right, so this is the cute little town of Boulder. Well, you'll see. It looks like it has changed a lot. It's very cute, so it has changed a lot. And we're gonna make a left here at Yucca.
Next left on Yucca Street, then turn right.
So the city has gone a long ways. It was never like this before. Diba, Mom? Let's just say they modernized this cute little town, which is good. And we just have to find, oh, here we go. Where is the
next right, then your destination will be on the left.
right here? So this is the train museum, which is pretty cool. You can see it on the camera.
Your
Go.
destination is on the left.
I'm gonna park here. And hopefully, well, hopefully, here we go. So, hopefully, we'll be able to do everything right here. There's my mom. Let me get the camera. There's my mom.
Morning.
Good morning, everybody. So, we're gonna see what's going on here, and we'll see you guys in a bit. It's a train station. Hold on.
Can I get my umbrella?
Pretty cool. People don't notice, but I do love trains. Hi. So this is pretty cool. Cool that we could cross across here. Kailang, Ma'am. But we'll see. There's a train. This is a little museum that we could go in between. Look at this. Wow. Look at that steam train. And I love trains. I don't know why. Growing up as a kid, I guess seeing Thomas the Tank Engine shows that, you know, I love trains. But look how gigantic this is. Oh my gosh, Mom, look how big the train is. compared to a human being. This is so cool. You know, I'll play probably also Back to the Future because they had this type of train. I don't have the same train right next to me, but at least there's a part of the museum you could go into, which is underneath this beautiful cover. There's my mom, but let's take a look. This is so cool. I love trains. I also love airplanes, so hopefully one day I can go to an airplane museum and see. But we're not going in any of these because I don't know if they allow it. But this is so cool. The trains do run. They have a run on the. So if you're here on the weekend, you definitely take the train ride. According to the website or according to Google, it is $10 for the ride. I don't know if it's per person. This is so pretty. Look at this. Such beautiful trains. History of how America started with the train. You know what? Let's go into this one. So this is the railway post office. Let's go into the railway post office. So I'm going to show you right. This is pretty cool that they have this type of. This is what I love about history. People say they don't like history, but look at this. Railway post office. You feel that you're in a different part of the world or century, especially the way that this is designed. You could tell. It's so freaking amazing that America, without the railway system, wouldn't be America now. Wow. Say hi, Mom. Say hi.
Bye. Hi. Still having here.
Which is pretty cool. I'm happy that they have this. Seriously, I am. But look at. It's so cool that they restored this to what it looked like back then. And again, there are bunk beds top and bottom. Middle of the caboose, you have storage. And you have a bunks on the top here, and it looks like this is where you pretty much dine, everything at the end and such. So, but without the railroads, I don't think America would be America the way it is. So, this is an innovation that America, started, or not started, but basically had to do so they could get the transcontinental trains back and forth. And until that time, trains were ruling America. Trains are beautiful. As you can see, a lot of trains are within movies. But anyways, you guys enjoy. One more time with the caboose. You guys have a wonderful day. Diyan ka lang, Mama. I'm still filming. Diyan ka lang.